I'm James Winnie, and here is your morning market brief. We first begin overseas as the market in Asia. They were, for the most part, trading lower overnight. This with Japan's Nikkei 225 index down a massive 5.2%. Meanwhile, the Hong Kong Hang Seng Index and China's Shanghai Composite, they were both down 0.3%. However, European markets this morning, they are trading mostly higher. And in the United States, futures were pointing towards a positive open after the bell. The Dow Jones right now up a little less than 50 points. Now, following the big drop in the Tokyo shares overnight, Nikkei futures, they have since been up some 400 points. This following a Reuters report stating that Japan's public pension fund is pondering a shift into equities. Meanwhile, the Japanese yen is also weakening as the Nikkei futures continue to rise. Meanwhile, shifting focus over to Central America, Brazil is one of the few major world economies right now actively tightening monetary policy. The central bank did raise its benchmark interest rate to a total of 8%, this from 7.5% Wednesday night, this in an effort to shake off inflation. Meanwhile, Eurozone consumer confidence, that rose to negative 21.9 in May from negative 22.3 in April, in line with consensus estimates. Economic confidence rose to 89.4, this from 88.6. And in the United States, initial jobless claims figures rising to 354,000 the week ended May 25th, this from 340,000 the week before. The consensus estimate was for an unchanged number at 340,000. Continuing claims for the week ended May 18th, that rose to 2.99 million from a revised up 2.92 million the previous week. And the second estimate in the U.S. first quarter GDP figures was revised downwards 2.4%, this from the initial estimate of 2.5%. Lastly, April pending home sales figures, that was just released, up a total of 0.3% in April, therefore hitting a 3-year high.